Dumela mabuhay ko kay Kirlo Mkhelesegile via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV. And of course vandag Miskat we still right here in the city of Light Johannesburg. Of course I can't get enough to say gore Gidizembas phetheni wena ebathi mahala ngapha uyuthile athi nigga lebafana kekhelabo akuzana musikhathe ngona le team yakhe amazing and see what's going to happen
lethi kekelete
and see what's happening. Dumela mabuhay kay Kirlo Mkhelesegile via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV Miskat Kemo. Niyathebana na lanteba ka couple teaching phones Miskat. Na kyare lo jola jwang rena re sa jole. A re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening. Ntshala morago and see.
And wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibamba izivuke. Ndzayimela mina lona.
Indaba yaziwenzakalani?
Lo kusendela amabele.
Ari ngutwe phela.
It's not what you think, man. Khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
Bathi
akithola pisha ke mna.
Hebati nigga lebafana kekhelabo. Heba lambile. Ebati 15 ngapha. Mahala ngapha. Kilizeba. Mahala ngapha. Hebati nigga lebafana kekhelabo. But I'm happy. I'm going home. We're going home. Bright Johannesburg. It's all about hustling. Hello. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi King Karoma. There is no way you didn't even see me. I've been making noise.
Hi Bo.
Hi Bo.
Nama camera kwenzenjani manje?
What's up, my camera? Nema 2000. You're not supposed to be scared.
No,
Mara
kodwa
di
phela mawuke
camera.
vele shoot nje.
Okay. Don't worry. Let me take a breath. Khanyane fela so. Wa tseba pinele ya lihleza. 50 gap.
Ngapha ma.
Hala ngapha. I like girls like you. So I know you understand.
Yes.
When which song you know?
The camera,
Why you have a camera?
Oh, hey, the camera manish.
You look like you can dance like Peanuts. You couldn't just dance.
I can't dance.
You can dance. It's all. What is it that you like doing?
Singing.
Singing. You can sing. Can it? Oh, pella motho.
Hawu akajwayelanga shema
Ne.
kakwenzi.
What?
Mhlawumbe uculela abanye ke angazi kodwa sisi.
Oh yeah. What kind of music you like doing?
I'm a piano.
I'm a piano. Ngicela ukuthi emailane. Can I talk to you for like seconds, guys, if it's not a problem?
About
It's December. People are winning. People are what? There are tickets that are coming out. Yakalihlezi. Ati nigga lemfana kekela. Yeah. So you don't want to win the tickets
tickets to
to the event. You don't want to win the tickets to the event. You can sell the tickets if you don't feel like you want to go there.
Akunankinga.
Awunankinga ne?
Hayi.
You don't have a problem with us
Yeah.
playing a game for 2 minutes.
Hayi inkinga as long
What
as
kind of
ngizothola leli ticket.
What kind of game? It's a nice game. What's your name?
Musa.
Musa. Can I be in the middle? Ungawara abantwana bami nginuka kamnandi. Hey.
Yes.
You are Musa. Musa from where?
Middlelands.
In Soweto.
Soweto.
Shout out. And your name is?
Tando
Tando from Soweto as well.
from Brown Fisher Mara.
Abraham Fisher. Oh yeah. Lerato Ntepisong. That side. Abraham Fisher. Go Rodiport.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
That's nice. How was it there?
Kumnandi yo kakhulu shema.
Does it give the vibe here Soweto though?
It does.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So what are your plans, guys, for December?
December.
Uh-huh.
Me, I'll be grooving
Grooving way.
all of this December.
So you're not gonna be spending time with Tando?
Hayi angifuna jive umuntu amfuna hlala endlini.
Why wena ushada ngothando ungazi kanjalo?
Hayi bayathathelana abantu.
Yeah.
ngaphandle.
Yeah.
So yeah, hayi.
Wena, what are your plans for December?
Bekuyikona nje singiyobona ulihleza nami ithi unyakaza kancane
Hayi.
sisi manje ngoba uyabona ngibhekene nenkinga.
Yeah.
So bona bolihliza.
Huh?
Phela ngithi kuyadruba nami ngithi ukuzijabulisa kancane.
Yeah. So tell me, guys, I feel like you guys are quite young. How old are you?
18.
You're 18. Oh, how old are you?
20.
20. You guys are doing the old people's deeds. I'm not judging. Okay. La jola, Girmar.
Yes.
Lusho la jola. And how long have you been dating for?
9 months.
9 months, not so long. Okay. What is it that you like about your person?
Yo, uyangithanda shem.
Ne.
Yes. Kakhulu.
Uthanda ukuthi uyakuthanda.
No, like the way angakhona, the way anginakekela ngakhona abantu yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Ungantsheli ukuthi uyakubheja wena. Ngisho ukuthi uthatha imali yakama wakho, becha yena ne.
Yimi breadwinner ekhaya.
Ubreadwin. Ugerezava.
Ki etsa music.
With some music. How about on chapela 2 lines? You never know who's watching.
2 lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babe, this is the day. That used to be my lines. You don't want to do that.
Later nya.
Later, yeah. So my name is Janelle, right? And what is okay? Before I get to that, what is it you really love about your person?
Yo. Angithanda yonke into yambona yo.
Yeah. You love language yakho ithini?
Live language, physical touch, gift giving.
Yeah.
Yabo, into enjalo.
Yeah. Out of 100, how much you trust your person?
1000 out of 100.
Hi, bro. Nawe kanjalo?
Yes,
Okay, I wanna
siyathembana,
see. Niyathembana. All right, that's actually nice. My name is Dina Okaro and I'm coming from a show by Biza Niyathembana. I don't know if you guys came across that show.
Yes.
Oh, yes. So you never thought it was gonna be me? You were expecting Abuti Ginger or Auslisa.
Uyayazi?
Yes.
Kuyenzakala.
What's happening?
Lapha kuswitch my phone.
Yeah. Quickly, nicely. How Musa? So you switch phones for 60 seconds. Ungene efonini yakho for 60 seconds and see ukuthi hayibo. Utsamali mangu yakulihleza. Ro nika. I get so kopa di phone yana.
Besijagile yabona.
Rafetsa no ska wara. 60 seconds.
Singahlala kanti wena uja ukuhamba.
Makabe sihamba mama.
Manje
Lwahamba. Ewe.
Khuluma nami. Suswa yini?
Keep phone man Musa man ungayenza ukuthi siku.
Akhipe yakhe kuqala.
Hayi keep mo bontshe mo tlatse ne. Gcwalisile letha.
Make yami yazilu.
Hello. Ungawari ngine power charger. Matlakase o wele fela ko bo Kempton Park kwa Miskad not here. Yeah, ga donusa le ntwe e. Ga charger. So you don't mind that guys?
No.
I'm glad I have your phones. Re tlo qala ka phone ama.
Yeah, makunenkinga.
Wena why not how?
Asingaqhanya.
How cheat again? All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is CMTV Niyathembana. My name is Dina Okaro, and of course, it's her power. Kintutsa rona tse. Kinda Dr. Dina Okaro. I'm from the parliament. This is my thing. Oh, this is yours, right?
Yeah.
Kopa untshwarele mo. So, Jumps, to be the honor. Who's letter pili? Rete so. Kopa untshingetse password ya hao. Hebati niga. Como nati guys over December ke tsore ke spirit. Kopa nkenne mo WhatsApp. Tsere ke spirit sa December. Kopa onkale on searchele I miss you. Ha gona po mo miss ang besides your boyfriend.
Yo, ngikhumbula yena kuphela.
Is this your first boyfriend?
No.
Oh.
Vela mina.
Okay, Musanki.
No mama ki.
All right. I love you. So, 18, Tando. When was your first boyfriend?
Yo. Last year.
Last year?
Yes.
That's when you started having a boyfriend.
Savela mina sis.
How about pick up?
Cha lutho awangipika.
Try to come outside. I just want to see her. Yeah, you young and that's nice. That's nice. I want to see the 25-year-old you.
Yo, hayi sizobona ukuthi usiphatheleni.
Don't be for everyone.
No results.
Kuleka no.
Okay. Sex. Firstly, you shouldn't be for everyone, ne?
Yeah.
Iyaphela abakutsheli. Iyaphela le.
Hey.
Mawuyithi va. And abafana they know each other, you know that. Don't think ukuthi if somebody stays in Germiston and the other one in Soweto, they will never meet. Girl, be careful.
Vela mina kuphela.
All right. Nudes. Why table for now, ne?
Awuyayazi.
So don't be for every man, ne? Baba, most of them, they are nice. They're going to promise you the world and everything. This is the advice.
Savela mina.
Haibo. Get on Instagram. Don't get fooled. What do you want to be when you get older?
Yeah, ngene.
Hayi kunezinto eziningi la emqondweni wami so angakazi kahle hle ukuthi kahle ngifuna ukukhethana.
Ne.
Yeah.
Good luck with everything, Baba.
Yabo.
Damn. No DMs, girl.
Akakhulumi nomuntu lo.
Angicanga ukuthi ungena ama-picture.
Oh.
Yeah. Good luck with everything. I think you're going to be so good. How do you feel that umuntu wakho akacheat?
Angijabulile yo kakhulu.
Ne?
Very much happy.
Ah, that's good. I'm happy.
Thank you.
I'm proud actually as a big sister. As a
Clock
big sister. Thank you. I'm cracking it. Please unlock more. Why utshogile?
Akathu.
Musa why una le manala a? Ha una ditedu musa, ha una intjebe.
Eish.
I'm asking from my sisters.
Ukwasusa.
Ne? Na le ma ka bona gore o ke dedication ha. How? Tsena mo WhatsApp. Secha I miss you. Why una le mazipho a? Bona le kafa bathung. Ba ga ke re ke phone ntjebe so. Wena ha ona ntjebe musa.
Thola la. Thola mina la. I miss you.
Okay.
Yeah. Gole mina la yabo. Nang noma wakhe la I miss you.
Okay. Ngisatshele sex. Huh? Wena out of everything like this, ba re ke phone ntjebe wena for what? Wa phokana?
Ngisusi.
Withusile. Ha ona le di max tsa ntjebe mo bathung musa.
Ngibona uzinhle la. Uzinhle
Man
la.
zinhle.
Zinhle.
Hey, don't take your phone like that. Zinhle on sex. Why are you talking about sex?
Cousin.
No, uzinhle.
Sex was good.
Sex inhlangana.
Sex was-
Uzinhle na sex.
Obvious bengikhuluma like
Athi sex was good. Ngicela ukuthi sifonele uzinhle mina I can't.
uzinhle.
Can we call Zinhle and confirm?
Uyamazi uzinhle.
Ah,
Ngimazelaphi uzinhle?
Ake re ra phone.
Oh wena
Musaretsa
Ile
show.
cousin yami.
Udla ukhazini wena.
Maka baby.
Umama uyazi ukuthi udla ukhazini wena. Uyazi
Hello Zinhle. Hello darling. Hello Zinhle, how are you nana? Nami ngiyaphila. You speaking to Dineo from CMTV. I just wanted to find out ukuthi uyamazi na uMusa.
Yes, ngiyamazi.
Nihlangana kanjani?
Siyathandana.
Ninesikhathi sengakanani nithandana?
Sina 8 months yodwa, 9 months manje.
Hayi bo.
Ngiyalingwa sisukhuluma nentombi yakhe la. Angazi ukuthi uchaza ukuthini mawuthi na 8 months cause nathi sino 9 months.
Mina ngazi ukuthi ugayi kade nahlukana noma.
Hayi kade sahlukana kuphi? Musa
Wena pretty boy, wenzani? Okay, uyakuchitela nawe nana.
Hey, I'm not sure about that because ngihlezi ngibambe before yakhe.
ayikho into ongenayisho ngayo ngoba uyasho phela sisi kanti kuphi ongakuzwa wena?
Musa kwenzakalani?
Awuchaze futhi. Awuchaze. Ngoba manje so ukunya lento yenzakala.
Chaza Musa, chaza.
Maka baby ya.
Ah!
Yini engiyaziyo?
Ukhuluma nobani mawuthi
Baby ubani?
Ukhuluma namuntu.
Baby 1 or baby 2?
Ke baby O. Ke baby O.
Yaanong baby A, re bua le baby O.
Ke
baby ofeng?
Ke cousin yami.
Akuchaza na Zinhle.
Aningichazeleni kwenzakalani la?
Azinhle ukhazini watsiba mos.
9 months kodwa ngiyakwazi nawe.
Yeah?
Ngikuza ukuthi usingiyikhazini yakhe njenganini sesodonsi 9 months.
Yeah, lilalana futhi. Angithi lalana futhi.
Asilalana.
Wayilenzani?
Umzala.
Niphushe isikhathi.
Umzala.
Ngizosendela your dick on my WhatsApp.
Why isendela usendela why isende futhi sibona ngiyadlala.
Hayibo, usenda namadiki.
Ngicela ama naked pics.
Abe kungaselama.
Usendile dick.
Ngibona your naked cousin's body wena.
Yo, you've seen naked body yakhe wena.
Awusiko lwasekhaya.
Yo. Hey. Okay, Zinhle, I will talk now. Bye bye. Kupon tshwarele mo.
Usingona kini.
Wena lu sendelana dideki go monate ko ga lona mos. What's your surname? Roro ko teng kwa. Gabuza. Eish. Lelone mona nka ralna lizakanyana. Gabuza ke Muzulu. Why you sendela ngwana mondeki?
Una manga.
O basela na dideki ba robalana.
Una manga. Angizwanga.
Wa mushiyane.
Uzonginyela wena.
Wa mushiyane.
Ungijwayela kabi. Uyangijoyela wena uyangijoyela nje. Uyangijoyela. Ungathinti. Uzolandelwa impama emva kwalokho. Ungangithinti mina.
Baby sorry.
Cha, sorry in.
Okay,
Ukushutha amadikho uthi sorry.
Umtexta
Umtextani, umyakalani ungamyeki.
Saka mo phone now. Thatha phone na wena.
Umuntu wakho. Qhubeka naye ke.
Qhubekela
Sala
cousin.
naye. Sala necousin yakho.
A ke sokola ko ganyeni. Ke nthutsa ko ga lona.
No siko la kini ke phela.
Mara ngeke ungishiye.
Ngenze njani? Ngihlaki? Ngidunuse. Chazela mina phela.
Udunu so bekise phezulu. Hey.
Sorry.
So what's gonna happen? Uyamshiya or waqhubeka ne relationship?
Akaqhubeka nomuntu wakhe ngiyahamba mina.
Akangishiya.
Musukuthi akangishiyi. Engathi uthatha imina uthatha isinqumo la. Wena uhlangani. So ukwazi ukungitshela lokho amasimba lokho ngitshela kona. Uyanginyela.
Unyela ngonomungu wamnyela.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Ungangidleli nje suka la suka.
Wena suka mngone ngwabathu.
Suka.
Hamba uye ekhaya, hamba.
Mara nani ngala makhamera wethu.
Senzani? You could be using your nail now or
Baby sorry.
Sorry ini. Uyachita wena.
Bekuyimistake.
Awungiboni mina.
akakubona.
Athi ngijika mhlawumbe uzongibona
Nebele lihle kanje yo.
Uchitela mina wena. Hayi, iyaqala ukwensuka. Uyapi la?
Uyakuphi wena Peanut?
Mara umuntu wami.
Angithi unabantu bayithu.
Lokuthi umuntu wami.
Wakabani lo?
Sala nozinhle. Sala nefebe zakho zinhle.
Angifuni zinhle.
Ngithe sala nozinhle. Anginoshila uthi nisendelana amadiki. Umaze enqunu. Sukake.
Arikisiko lakho habona.
Ngingavumeli labantu basixabanise.
Abantu baphi? Uwena uletha umuntu wesithathu la yiye usilwela.
Yeah, mina ngiyinyolozi. Nakinenyolozi la. Kikeni kabona.
Ngizibonele nami. Manje uyibaphi abantu abangena phakathi kwethu ukhuluma ngani? Angazi ukhuluma ngani mina.
Lento oyibonile.
Hey kahle bhuti.
December awuthola sepha neka fokon.
Ungangichazeli.
Uyabona ukuthi ubufebe bwenzani?
Angifiki.
Yini le wenzani?
Umseleku wena unesithembu. Sala mseleku. Sala mseleku nentombi zakho. Ngoba kusho phela akayedwa.
Mara mina ngifuna wena.
Akakufuni.
Mina ngisakufuni ke.
Akakufuni anymore.
Ngasitholela nje ubhuti omuhle kabi namanje ngathi mangithi ngiyanyakaza ngithi ngiyehla la.
Mubonze manje mawuhamba so. Okay, ubone hamba nana. Bye ubone nawe ukuthi bazo ema muthile. Bazokuvimba. Hamba umbonise ukuthi kuhanjwa kanjani. Uyabona imoto seviyele yandlula hawe ma sebamthathile.
Ngilinde baby.
Wena ke kerekere ke paver wave so ka lenala. Mara what? Ake mo relationship mosa. O rata bofebe le monyane.
Ke rata bofebe.
But you still young gore ka bofeba. Paver le tsela ka lenala so. Re tla go bona. Those were kids. I didn't know what to say. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dineo Caro. Bana ba bua ka bo di deck. Ba bua ka bo di eng gore go etsagala. Rona re tsebe sepe nna nkere ke ba fa ticket ya. Nega. Ngala ba di kekelawo. Hey. Margo ganne ba gaisha CMTV. Nathembana na from us, myself and Drums and the beautiful team. We say bye. See you again on another one. Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dina Okaro and this is CMTV my skat kemo ni athebana na la ntse ka couple teaching phones my skat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene nsi gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithu ungalibali uba last wathi mandiyibambe izivuke ndizayimela mina loo nto
indaba yazikwenzakalayo
lubani lokusendela amabele ari ngutle pele
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
bathi
nakitla akitla lapha ke monna